Okay, we're going to start this British Seagull. Not sure what you can see because I handheld the camera. We'll just put this here, and as you see, she runs great. She starts easy. It's the best running one we've ever had. You can see she pumps water nicely. Do a nice close-up on the ID number. This one runs on 10-to-1 oil. You want to make sure you mix your oil and gas that way. It has a nice recoil starter. This runs great. I'm going to rev it up a little bit. And then before I throw all the water out of here, I'll just do this. These are just sweet engines. This one seems indestructible. And so it has been donated to the Santa Monica Bay Sailing Foundation. We hope that you'll bid aggressively on it. It's a piece of history, and all the money goes to support the kids and is greatly appreciated.